Hello guys, welcome to my flash session. Today we will talk about photography. Have you ever wondered why in your head the picture you are taking should look like this, but in reality looks like this? Well, there are a few tips that you can use, and I'm going to show you in the next minutes, that you can use to have like very good professional photography without using like fancy equipment or any post-production like tools. How I'm going to do it? So I will tell you there are 4 rules, and every time I will show you a picture so that you can to have an example, so that the concept will stick into your mind. Okay, so let's go. The first rule, it's fill the frame, meaning that you have to take away everything which is unnecessary in the picture. For example, in this picture you see on the left side there are many things that are distracting us, like for example the sign, the road in the back. While getting closer to our subject, or even cropping the picture, it has like much better effect, and we understand better which one is the subject of the picture. The second rule is the rule of third. The rule of third, imagine that the screen of your camera is divided in 9 equal squares, like now, and you have to place, as you see in this picture, you have to place the subject in one of the cross between those lines. Like for example, if you can place the eye of your subject, if it's a person, in one of those spots, you will have a very interesting composition for the eye. So like remember to place your subject in the cross of those lines. The third secret is look for leading lines. So leading lines you can find from roads, from trees, from whatever is around you, and these are also making a very interesting effect for the eye. For example, in this picture you see how the line of the ground and the line also of the rail are all pointing towards our subject. The next and last tip is you look for symmetry. Like our brain and our eyes, they like to look at symmetry. For example, you see in this picture the photographer used the lines from the building, and this symmetry of the columns, it makes a very interesting effect for our eyes. But even more interesting are patterns, but when these patterns are broken. So this also, makes our brain wonder what's happening. For example, in this picture you see like the pattern of the small cab, but that it's broken by the white of the 2 nuns. So these are 4 very simple tips that you can use next time that you are taking a photo. And but also there is one other, let's say, secret, that if you have an idea, if your concept is very precise, you can also break the rule, and you can also make your own style. It's very okay. Just try what it works for you. And yeah, so let's recap. The first is fill the frame, then rule of third, then look for leading lines, and the fourth one is symmetry and patterns. So now that you have got like some more knowledge about photography, I invite you to come to my session at the Backpacker Hostel, because we will add to this material, we will add more bricks, and we will have more fun with photography, and also like there will be some more surprise. I'm waiting for you. Bye, thank you.